Hi, we're back at it again, and this time our friends at Fioboc decided to send over some pretty sweet stuff. Fioboc is a menswear company, and they specifically focus on two main things: premium style and technical clothing. Combine it into one. So where quality, fit, and function converge to create clothing that enhances your everyday life. We were frustrated with having to settle for clothing that looked good but didn't fit well, or clothing that was highly functional but overpriced. And that's how Fioboc was born. And they have 3 rules: comfort over everything, made to last, and price based on quality, not logo. So, you know what's next. Got a hat! You know me, you know I got a thing for hats. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Alright, let's get serious. This is serious. So this is a card, shows you the return process as well as their mission, vision, and customer care number. Let's check out the hat. This is the embroidered logo baseball cap. It's cotton. There, you could adjust it. Ooh, okay. The classic type of dad hat, dad style. How does it fit? Fioboc. Next up, this is the striped trim stain-proof t-shirt. It's a very premium feeling white t-shirt, and I love the stripes on it. It's elastic. So the collar is also the striped elastic, but at the same time underneath a nice lining under the strapped collar. Wow, this feels really nice. And there's also a little tag, a little striped tag at the bottom. All right, so we're gonna unbox everything and then we're gonna try everything on. Next up, so this is one of their best sellers. It's the StayCool 2.0 Curve Hem Tee. So the inside has their signature striped lining. The material soft. You also have the stripes at the bottom of the shirt. Kind of see that curve at the bottom of the tee. And you have a nice snowflake logo at the back. So this is the same shirt in a khaki color. And lastly, we have the same one in a gray. Wow, this gray is really nice. So all 3 of the StayCool collection shirts are a medium. The ones I got were medium. All right, next up. So this next one is a mock neck short sleeve tee. The material is a lot thicker, the signature stripe lining on the collar and the mock neck. And then you also have the brown stripe that goes from the neck all the way to the shoulder. You also get that Fioboc logo on the left chest. Last one, guys. All right, so this one is in a size small. So this is the Freedom Spirit Eagle Grunge Oversized tee. If you know me right now, I'm a huge fan of oversized and graphic tees, and boom! There we go. There we go. You see that? Freedom. Spirit! You got that signature stripe tag in the corner. Now we're gonna try it on backwards, so oversized tee first. Oversized. Comes down close to my elbows. With my other oversized tees, I got a medium and a large, but this one I decided to try small. And I'm not saying they all fit the same size, but you know, just get a small this time for an oversized tee. Fits well. The material is very similar to the mock neck. And again, this is a size small. See, there's a little bit of room, like you can see my collarbone. Almost. Just need to do that. Not bad. This mock neck. Woo! So it's a medium, so I thought it was gonna fit a little bit big, but you know, it's not really, I mean, it's not tight on my neck. This reminds me of Click, the movie with Adam Sandler, when at the end he's in the hospital and there's like those people working. I don't know why, but that's like the first thing that came up. Maybe because it's the mock neck, but I mean, I like it. I've always wanted a mock neck. I like that stripe. Yes, sir. It feels good. Mobile. I feel cool. I like this shirt. Next. So I'm only gonna try on one of the StayCool shirts just for this part, but I don't know why, but this shirt is like cold compared to the other ones. It fits well. A lot of movement. This is a medium. For a more fitted look, I'd probably go with the small. But there's the bottom with the curve. I'm a 14.5 neck size, so I don't have the biggest neck, so if you have a bigger neck than me, then I think it'll fit better around the neck. But for me, it's a little loose right here, as you can see. But overall, the fit with this shirt, like, it feels like a combination of like a workout shirt, but also just a shirt I can normally wear out. But it feels really good. It feels really good, mobile, material feels premium. All right, this is the striped trim stain-proof shirt in the medium. Man, this fits like a small. Maybe because I'm just so swole, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding. Look at my little arms, but like it fits fairly fitted. Got the little tag right there. So here's my waist, the classic waist check, hip bone comes down right here. Nice. Nice. Material feels great. The collar fits a little more fitted than the StayCool 2.0 mediums. I just love this look of the shirt, especially the stripes on the collar and then right here. Like, I kind of feel like so I'm a fan of F1 and I'm a fan of the Mercedes-AMG team. And I feel like their shirts are very similar to this. So I feel like part of the F1 Mercedes-AMG team. All these shirts feel great. The StayCool 2.0s, as well as this shirt, I could really feel that technical aspect where it feels like I could work out in it. The material feels very cooling, I guess, if that makes sense. But at the same time, I could wear it out. And then the mock neck and the oversized tee is 100% cotton, but it's like thicker cotton, so it's thick material, it's heavier, but it feels good. The quality is there. So this striped shirt is made from long staple cotton, and there's way more elasticity than just regular cotton. Moisture wicking, so it's great for summer. And then the StayCool 2.0 has 4-way stretch, moisture wicking, cooling, pre-shrinkage, kind of the whole package. These shirts are made to just wear out, to work out, outdoor stuff. It's a mixture of both quality and technical aspects, so I guess you could wear it for lots of different things. Now you get an idea of what they do, the types of products they make, how they make it, and how it fits on someone of my size. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what size you need to pick up. So once you've picked out your shirt and you're ready to check out, make sure to use the code on the screen, as well as in the description for a little gift. If you like this video and you're in the market for business clothes, or let's say you have to run a 5K and you have a meeting right afterwards, check out my video on And Collar. They make a lot of business clothes mixed with technical fabric, so you could run a 5K and go to a meeting afterwards. Thank you, Fioboc. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.